Do you want to graduate from a top university? Find your way to the University of St. Louis. The University of St. Louis has just opened its new campus. The Bishop Constant Jurgens Campus is conducive to learning. It has state-of-the-art facilities, inclusively designed staircase, and qualified faculty members who use effective teaching styles. The Bishop Constant Jurgens Campus houses the School of Accountancy, Business, and Hospitality. The school offers Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. This is the University of St. Louis Bishop Constant Jurgens Campus.
Brush up your academic skills.
And join the university in building your dreams.
This is USL. Devoted to mission. Committed to excellence. Other academic buildings will soon rise in BCJC.